Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on how to add a new column to a data frame in Python using the popular pandas library. Title: Adding a new column to a data frame in Python with pandas. Introduction. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation library in Python, widely used for handling and analyzing structured data. One common operation is adding a new column to a data frame, which allows you to store and manipulate additional information associated with your data. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python and pandas installed. You can install pandas using the following command. Step 1. Importing the necessary libraries. Start by importing the pandas library. Step 2. Creating a data frame. Let's create a simple data frame to work with. For this example, we'll use a dictionary of sample data. Step 3. Adding a new column. To add a new column to the data frame, you can simply assign values to a new column name. In this example, let's add a column for salary. Step 4. Adding a calculated column. You can also add a new column based on calculations involving existing columns. Let's add an annual salary column based on the salary. Step 5. Adding a column with default values. To add a new column with default values, you can use the NumPy library. In this example, we'll add a bonus column with a default value of 0. Conclusion. Adding a new column to a data frame in pandas is a straightforward process. Whether you're adding static values, calculated values, or columns with default values, pandas provides a convenient and efficient way to manipulate your data. Feel free to explore more pandas functionalities to enhance your data manipulation and analysis capabilities. ChatGPT.